right, let's take a look at a portable charger. Now, this one has 50,000 milliamps, USB Type C, 4D 330 watts, Q.4.0, fast charging, battery display. So when you're charging stuff, it's going to display in here how much percentage. It doesn't display how much charging you're giving out to the system, but it has multiple different ends. So we're going to take a look at it, all the different ends that you have. It does come with a cable Type C to Type A. There's a micro USB on the side, if you guys can see that. And then you have the power button on the other side. Now, facing forward is where you actually have all these connections in here. So let's take a look at all the connections. All right, let's take a look at the front here. Now, this is going to be an input. This is to charge the actual system, but you can also charge it through the micro USB here. Now, you have up to 18 watts on here that you could charge to. These varies from different connections too. You can use all these to go output to also. And to turn it on, you just click the button and it starts displaying. Right now, we're at 70%. But we're able to charge this to 100%. Now this has a little weight to it, but it's going to give you guys multiple hours for multiple devices to charge. So let's see how much the output gets output to an actual Droid. So let's test it out. All right, we have a little tester here that we like to use. I'm gonna put the actual tester here and it tells you how much output it's gonna give out. So we're just gonna go to the first one in here and grab it on here, put it in there. And we're going to put this right in the front right now. It's still lighting up. It's turning up. And we do have a Droid that we have that we're going to charge. And as soon as we charge it, you're going to see it, how fast it is charging. All right. So go ahead and plug it in. And it starts charging right now. And the output that we're getting right now, it's about 8.3. So we're close to that 9. It's going to give a 9 to 12. But right now we're at 8.3. If you guys can probably get to see it on your end, but it's actually running at 8.3 watts. That's what it's charging to right now. It's a little difficult to see through a camera, but it's well suited for any kind of device. Let's charge another device in a lower case. Now we have another charging station here, and we're going to charge this charging station, and you're going to see how much it is. And right now it's also charging at 8.2. 8.3. Actually, this is 11. It got to 11, so we're getting supercharged on this device is supercharging this device right now, and we're at 11.5. If you guys can see that, 11.5 connection watts transferring to this, so it is supercharging this actual unit itself. Just to let you guys know, this is managing many different devices connected to it, and we still have a space for one more too. So unfortunately, I don't have space in my desk here to show you guys the demo that it's charging every single device is charging from the actual unit itself. And right now we're still at 70%, so it's holding. This is going to last you for a long time for road trips, traveling, pretty much anything you want to take with you. This will also charge up fans, portable fans, and other devices too. Even other chargers like a demo in here. So you're able to travel and enjoy the same connection, same power source, and everything with any device you have, especially your handhelds, your phones, and your iPads. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.